Cutting dowels and other small workpieces at a table saw can be tricky. Too often, the blade catches the piece and sends it flying, or leaves tear out that renders the piece unusable. The Rockler table saw small parts sled solves both problems, while also providing excellent workpiece control. With an aluminum miter bar that slides in standard 3/4 inch wide by 3/8 inch deep miter slots, it operates in much the same way as larger crosscut sleds. The key is an MDF insert that you slide into the sled and cut during setup to precisely fit your saw. Along with the rear fence of the sled, it provides backing for the workpiece all the way to the edge of the cut, minimizing splintering and reducing waste. To keep small workpieces from catching on the blade and launching across your shop or garage, the sled incorporates an innovative drop-off ramp that allows the cut-off piece to fall gently away from the blade onto the sled base. No more need to search the far reaches of your shop on hands and knees. To make it easier to control smaller workpieces without putting your hands dangerously near the spinning blade, the sled has a T-track embedded in the base, so you can use hold-downs to secure your stock. There's also an adjustable stop that you set in the saw's miter slot to keep you from pushing the sled too far, and a clear plastic guard to help remind you to keep your fingers away from the blade. Altogether, you get safer, cleaner, more accurate cuts in small pieces at your table saw. Check out the Rockler Table Saw Small Parts Sled at your local Rockler retailer or at rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.